Hello there, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create seamless patterns using Canva. And as you can see right now, I'm currently on the Canva webpage, currently logged into my Canva account, so this should be the one you're seeing also on your landing page. Now just a quick reminder, if you're watching this using your MacBook, your iOS devices, the tablet, your mobile device, or across all devices, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. Now, I just want to let you know what is seamless first. Let me just open a new tab right here and then search Google. Now basically I just want to type in seamless photo dinosaur, just to give you a brief overview of what is a seamless photo is. Now that being said, this is actually what a seamless photo is. So it means that whatever or whichever part of the image is connecting to the other side. Now for example, let me just upload, or rather show you guys the photo I got from the internet. So for example, this one. Now if you can see right here, the blue dinosaur is connected on that tail right there. This brown dinosaur is connected on that tail right there. Now this is a seamless pattern to whatever or whichever part of this photo is connected. Now, I'm going to teach you how to fix, or rather create, a seamless photo right now. Let's go back to Canva. And then with this one, I just want you to hover your mouse on the top right section of your screen, the create design option, and just type in custom design. Now, just a quick reminder that it doesn't matter what kind of resolution or pixels you have. For example, you have a 5x5 or 10x10, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go with my custom sized 3000 by 3000 and create new design. This is generally for podcasts. And now this is going to be my new landing page. So let me just remove the first one and focus on this landing page. Now we are on editing platform of Canva right now. And on the left side, you're going to see design, elements, text, brands, uploads, draw, and apps, and so on and so forth. So I just need you to focus on elements. So I'm just going to type in the photos that I want to use on my seamless photo. Or rather, let's just say the features. I'm going to type in dinosaur right there. I'm going to copy the one I searched from the internet, okay? Now I'm going to click this one. So I'm going to use this specific dinosaur. Down a little bit. And then basically on the appreciate level, right, this one. Make sure this is actually a acceptable size, a little bit more. Now I'm happy with this size right now. Again, there is not an exact size of the feature that you need to follow. It really depends on your perspective. Just want to let that out. Now that being said, make sure you're on the acceptable size of your own, and then simply hover this until it's half. So Canva makes it easy because as you can see, those patterns right there, those patterns that are showing up, that is going to be our guidelines. So I'm just going to hover my mouse and put it on the half until I see that highlight. There you go. It means it's already on the half of the photo. I'm going to let go, and it's only showing the back part of the dinosaur. Now I'm going to get another one and basically just do the same thing inversely. I'm going to do it until that middle highlight is shown up. And there you go. Now basically that's the whole process of creating a seamless pattern. I'm going to teach you how to do this moving on. Make sure you highlight both, okay? That being said, if I highlight both, make sure they're aligned properly. You're going to see that pattern right there, that highlight that says they're aligned. Perfect. Now, since we already have one dinosaur, might as well add another one, right? This blue one right here, I think this is a long neck dinosaur. Please correct if I'm wrong, okay? I'm just going to adjust it to a level that's the same size as its other pals. So this size right here is 547 by 604. I'm just going to do that one again, 547 by 604 as long as I can. I think this is as close as I can get, but that's not acceptable for me. So I want to enlarge a little bit more. Now maybe this one is good, and put it on the top one. Again, same process guys, make sure it's the middle part until you see that highlight middle right there. And then basically repeat the process. You can just copy this, duplicate, and just go on the bottom part. Basically, wait until the middle highlight is shown up and you're good to go. Now I have 4 sections of my photo that are already good to go. Now I want more. Let's just search for this one again, this green dinosaur. I'm gonna put it, for example, on this left corner. Again, guys, there is no specific resolution. I can put it, I can exact it right there if I want to. I can also put it like this if I want to. I don't want to constrain you on the specific resolutions, okay? Now make sure it's gonna be the half of the photo. Highlight is important right here. The guidelines are helpful. Now again, duplicate it so you don't have to get another resize photo. Do it at the other edge. So imagine you're just mirroring it. Okay? Imagine it's gonna be mirrored. Basically, that's the process right here. So we have the lower back and the upper half of this dinosaur. Now let's search for some more. Maybe this one is good. I want to try this one, a pink dinosaur. Same process. I just want to click it right there until I see those lines that I'm looking for. Now, here's the tricky part. You just need trial and error on doing this one until you see those lines. You're good to go. Duplicate again on the other half of your screen, or rather half your Canva. Make sure you see those middle lines to make sure you're good to go. Just wait for it. Now this is the tricky part right now. There you go. As you can see, we are good to go with this one. Now just to fix the others, make sure we're good. Just want to fix this one. Okay. So make sure you see that highlight over there. This is a bit trial and error again, guys. It's really a bit of an effort. There you go. Now, actually, this is good enough to check. You can just save the photo. Download, make sure the file type is PNG. Make sure you download it and wait for it to finish downloading. Now, it won't take long. Now, this is the new image. To check if it's properly working, add a new page. We're gonna call this test page, okay? Test page for Canva. And then click on the left sections on your design. Choose the upload. Click the upload file. And then proceed to download. Look for the one we downloaded earlier. And wait for it to finish. Let me just remove this unnecessary stuff that can clutter our Canva. These are not needed actually. Now let's just wait for it to finish downloading, okay? Now to test it, just simply drag it over here. Now, it's not, doesn't mean that you need to put it all the way because you can't see if it's working. Making sure it's only 2 by 2. Again, this is not an exact size, just by your own perspective. So to check it, simply duplicate it and just connect the lines. As you can see, those right there are seamless, but this process right there are not because we've used 2 different dinosaurs. If you want to use if you want to use a same one, make sure it is seamless. Now to fix our design, we can just go back on the top part and change these 2 to the same pattern. Let me just remove this one, create the duplicate, do the same thing. Again with this one, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna put the head, behind, and the front part right there. Same with this one. I'm gonna put the back part, and then again with the front part over the other side. So that's the mistake we have. Please take note of the mistake I did so you can avoid once you're doing this on your own. Okay? So that should be doing it. Let me just adjust a little bit more. Now, download, and then make sure I only choose the first one. Click on download. Now wait for it to finish downloading. That should do it. Upload another photo and download the latest one. Let me just remove the duplicate so we won't have any problem or any confusion, okay? Now again, guys, this is actually the fastest and easiest way to do it. It might find hard for you guys. Just patience will take a long way. So again, try it out. This is our edited photo. Again, 2 by 2 or an estimate of 2 by 2. Click it and then connect it. Now, as you can see, it's perfectly aligned. The seamless are good to go. Another one on the top section. There you go. So another one on the left one. it will connect. So as you can see right now, this is actually working properly. It's not perfectly seamless yet. We need a little bit more, but that is the exact process. So the only thing here, the only constraint right here is the limit here would be your imagination. Okay? And that's how you create a seamless pattern using Canva. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.